A very good morning to all my dear students. Welcome you all for our history online class. Dear students, our social studies second chapter, the four stone ages. In the previous lecture, we have completed our first chapter and question answers also. Today, we are going to start our new chapter, four stone ages. Stone age. Stone Age period of human technological development characterized by the use of stone as the principal raw material for the tools, which began roughly 2.5 million years ago. In some parts of the world, it ended 5,000 years ago, and in some region, it ended recently. During Stone Age, human beings passed through different stages of biological and cultural evolution. Division of Stone Age. It's based on quality of stone tools used. It's divided into four ages. First one is Paleolithic Age. It lasted from 5 lakh BC to about 10,000 BC. Then Mesolithic Age. It lasted from 10,000 BC to 8,000 BC. Neolithic Age. It lasted from 8,000 BC to 4,000 BC. And the last one, Chalcolithic Age. It lasted from 4,000 BC to 2,000 BC. Man used for stone and copper tools. Students, during the Stone Age, our ancestors went through many different stages of biological and cultural evolution. It was a long after our lineage became a modern that we began to experiment with new innovations such as metallurgy. The primitive age or the prehistoric age. Paleolithic age is also called as Old Stone Age. There is no written record for the ancient period of history from the years 3 lakh BC to 10,000 BC. So, this age is called the primitive age or the prehistoric age, and it is also called as a Paleolithic age. Paleolithic is a Greek word consisting of two Greek words, namely paleos, which means old, and lithos, which means stone. Hence, this age is called as Paleolithic age or Old Stone Age. Man used stone as a tools and weapons. Hunters and wanderers. Primitive man were hunters and wanderers. He moved from place to place. Reasons why he moved from place to place? In search of food. Primitive man didn't knew how to produce food. He was a food gatherer. So, if he had stayed at one place for a long time, he would give eaten up all the available plants and animal resource. Movement of animals. Primitive man was not aware about the domestication. As animals moved, primitive man followed them. Different seasons. Plants and trees bear fruit in different seasons, so he moved from one region to another in search of food, in search of kinds of plants and fruits, and need of water. People, plants, and animals need water to survive. Water is found in lakes, streams, and rivers. Many lakes, streams, and rivers were perennial, others were non perennial, so people used to migrate during the dry season. Then, our next point, tools and weapons. Early man used sharp edged stone. bones, horns, wood as a tools. Commonly used stone was flint. It was hard stone, grey in color, and could easily be shaped. Thus, it was used to make knives, chopper, hand axes. Students, we learned about flint in the previous lecture also. Got it? Remember? So, flint was a commonly used stone and it was a hard stone. It was in grey color and it could be easily chopped or shaped. So flint stone was often used to make knives, choppers, hand axes, flake implements, and later on wooden sticks or rough handles were tied to this. They used these tools and weapons to fell trees, kill animals, remove animal skin, and dig the earth. Of tools have been found in the river valleys like the river Son, which is now in Pakistan, Narmada, Godavari, and Tungabhadra. Now, our next point, clothes and shelter. See this picture carefully, you will understand which type of clothes they wore. Primitive man wore the skin of hunted animals to protect himself against rain or cold. He also used bark of trees to cover his body. For shelter, he went to caves and sometimes hid himself behind thick tree. Leaves for shelter against rough weather and wild animals. Our next point, the discovery of fire. Primitive man discovered fire by chance. This was the major discovery of the old Stone Age. Fire changed primitive man's life. He got warmth and light from it. He could roast his food, which became tastier and digestible. He could also scare away animals by burning fire at the entrance of his cave during night.